Assalamualaikum, my name is Aidil.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Gairul.
Hello and Assalamualaikum, my name is Mariana Nafisa.
I'm Nurul Ashika binti Ahmad Nasran.
The definition of trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationship between side length and angle of triangle. Civil and mechanical engineer use trigonometry to calculate torque and force on objects such as bridge or building grinders. The trigonometric function are real function which relate an angle of right angle triangle to ratios of two side lengths.
Here is the formula of trigonometry. As we can see, it has so many formula, but we only use a few to solve the equation, such as 1 over sine theta and cos equal to adjacent and hypotenuse. In engineering life, we use trigonometric concept to calculate angle, calculate torque and force, and also calculate static force on object that is not moving, such as a bridge.
For question 1, the question is, there are two different roofs of mechanical structure. Find which one has a large area to get the best airflow. For the roof A, firstly we use theorem Pythagoras for finding A. Insert the B as 20 and the C is 17. So it will be square root 20 square minus 17 square. Calculate the answer and the A is 10.54 meter. Secondly, we use sine rule for find the angle of A. So it will be sin A over 10.54 equal to sin 19 over 20. Leave the sin A at the left while the 10.54 move to the right and multiply it. Calculate the answer and the sin A is 7.527. Then calculate shift sin 0.527 and the answer is 31.80. Lastly, calculate the area by using the area formula, which is 1 over 2 BC sin A. Insert the B as 20 and the C is 17 and the sin A as 31.80. Calculate all of that and the area for roof A is 89.58 meter squared. For the roof B, firstly, we use cos to find the angle of A. Formula for cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Insert the adjacent as 10 and hypotenuse as 12. Calculate the answer and get 0.8333. Then shift cos 0.8333 and the answer for A is 33.56. Secondly, by using the cosine rule, we can find the answer of A square. So that insert the B square as 10 square plus C square as 12 square minus 2 multiplied by 10 and 12. While cos A as cos 33.56. Calculate the answer and get 44.00. The answer for A is move the square to the right and it will be square root. So the A is calculate the square root 44.00 and get 6.63 meter. Lastly, calculate the area by using the area formula, which is 1 over 2 AB sin C. Insert the A as 6.63, the B is 10 and the sin C as 90. Calculate all of that and the area for roof B is 33.15 meter square. Total area for roof B is 33.15 multiplied by 2 and the answer is 66.3 meter square. The final answer as conclusion for question 1 is the roof A has a large area so that it can allow the best airflow.
The question is cos 2x minus 1 over sin 2x equal to negative tan x. The question want me to prove the equation using all the trigonometry formula. Use the trigonometry formula until you get cos square x minus sin square x minus cos square x plus sin square x over 2 sin x cos x. Multiply cos square x plus sin square x with negative 1 to open the border. Simplify the equation until you get negative 2 sin square x over 10 2 sin x cos x. Negative 2 over 2 is negative 1, so it will be negative sin x over cos x, and sin over cos is equal to tan, so the final answer is negative tan x.